Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Do you remember when I told you to join Discord because I will be sharing some trade ideas? Well, I've actually just shared a one pattern idea, which is an inverse head and shoulders here, and it's a meme coin, and you can actually get nearly 34% profit. This is $340 in value. If you're a trader and you know how to trade, and you know what inverse head and shoulders are, ascending triangles are, and you know a little bit of basic trading, Discord is definitely a place for you to come and join. So check the comment section for the link. You can tap the link, enter Discord for absolutely free, and go to trade ideas. Right, so do that. Now let's go back into the PEPE update, and let's talk about PEPE at the moment. So PEPE, similarly to that meme coin that I just showed you, is also making an inverse head and shoulder. So you're looking for something like this. Okay, so we're still about to break, and this is your left shoulder, head, the right shoulder. So I'm looking forward for a break here, and then you go and push back to the upside. So if I take the trend line, we are about to get from there to there, and we might actually have PEPE to come up to 11350, and that's going to be a price increase of nearly 37%. And yes, you can do that. I expect this to happen. Now, reason being is Bitcoin is looking to move up to $62,000. Secondly is PEPE has a channel, and it makes a lot of sense to come back up because that's the resistance number one, the resistance number two, and coming up here actually makes a lot of sense because that's where the channel trend line is existing. And that's all for the quick update. Nothing fancy today, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.